If you've ever been in an accident, you know how frustrating it can be. It's hard to accurately recall the details of such a traumatic incident without video evidence, leaving your innocence in jeopardy. That's why you need the Silent Witness dash camera. With Silent Witness, you'll be able to offer your insurance company the evidence they need. The dash camera continuously records the view through a vehicle's windscreen and can be easily attached. Our camera solves problems for both drivers, employers, and insurance companies. For instance, crash for cash, false exaggerated whiplash, lack of witnesses, conflicting reports of actual events, 50-50 claims. With the Silent Witness dash camera, you'll gain crucial evidence in a 50-50 road accident, speed up insurance claims, protect your no claims bonus, reduce the risk of crash for cash, and gain extra peace of mind. With over 100,000 cameras worldwide and have loads of 5-star reviews, you can rest assured that you're buying a quality product. So, if you want to drive safer and protect yourself from future incidents, then the Silent Witness dash camera is for you. Check out our website for more information.